Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and clearing interference, because latency often comes from mismatched codecs or radio noise. First, check that your controller or headset supports Bluetooth 5.0 or aptX low latency, otherwise expect limits. Once confirmed, close background apps that use audio disable Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz or temporarily move away from routers and microwaves. Then set the game device as the sole audio output and enable any built-in game mode. This gets you ready for deeper adjustments. Next, focus on software-level optimization, because drivers and codecs control timing. Update Bluetooth adapter firmware and your PC or console's audio drivers to the latest stable builds. Once updated, change the active Bluetooth codec in your OS or the adapter utility to aptX low latency or the best supported low latency option. This reduces round-trip time. Then open the game or sound control panel and lower the audio buffer size and sampling rate where possible, which shortens processing. Finish by validating changes and having fallback options, because wireless can still fail. Test input and audio latency in-game. If delay remains, switch to a wired connection or plug in a dedicated USB Bluetooth dongle that supports aptX LL. If that reduces delay, you found the culprit. Also try a different headset or controller to isolate the device. If nothing helps, reset the Bluetooth cache or remove and repair devices. And finally, pair on another host to determine if the original device is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.